going to bring you another opening and closing move. This one is called the inside twirl. You're going to want to start with your palm up and the safe handle against the palm. The next thing you want to do is you want to just swing the bite handle out. Second step, you want to let the bite handle come back, but let it pass through your wrist. Let the safe handle fall into that valley of your four fingers there. Flag the thumb and catch. So again, swing it out. Let the bite handle pass, flag the thumb and catch. And the closing should look exactly the same. Just let that out, pass, flag, catch. And it should look something like this. Alright everybody, so the second move is the thumb roll opening and closing. It's essentially a simplified version of the standard opening, this one, without the first step. So essentially you're skipping this step and you're basically just starting in this step. So to do this move, you want to make a thumb twist of the safe handle to get to this step right away, making it a faster opening. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to let the bite handle and the blade pass, and right as they do, you're going to want to stick your thumb in between them on the safe handle and your pointer finger on the back and make a twisting motion like this. And then you're in this step and simply just swing it back, and the closing will look the exact same. Let the bite handle pass your thumb and your finger, put your thumb in, twist, okay. So it should look like this. Okay, here's the next move. It's called the reverse out to in opening. So you're going to want to be holding the Balisong in a reverse grip or ice pick grip, and you're going to be holding your palm vertical with the safe handle in between your thumb and your four fingers. The first step is you're going to drop the bite handle. Second step, swing the safe handle with a slight rotation with the thumb, and then swing both the blade and the bite handle back up, and you'll catch it in reversed open grip. And the closing will be identical. Drop the bite handle, make a rotation with the thumb and the fingers of the safe handle, and swing the blade and the handle back up, and you'll catch it in closed position. So again, drop bite handle, rotate safe handle, and then swing the bite handle back up. And it should look something like this.